my exes want me back. It makes them so damn sad. I might run off with the money. They want what they used to hide. Tell them all that it's too damn bad. I might run off with the money. You used to talk down to me every day. Tell me I'd never find my way. Now that I'm found, you want.
Hi everyone. So I'm going to start off with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Prism palette. And I'm using this shade and this color right there. As you can see, I love those two colors and I use them all the time. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. All right, so I'm just blending them in. And this is going to be a really quick, simple date night look, you guys. It's nothing complicated at all. So the first color I use as a transition color, and the other color I put on my lid. So now I'm showing you the primer that I use, which is the Fenty Beauty Primer for my face. I'm pretty much done with the eyes, you guys. I have my eyelashes and my eyeliner on. And so yeah, I'm rubbing all the Fenty Beauty Primer all over my face. I love this stuff, you guys. I really do. And so now I also use the Maybelline Baby Skin to help with my pores. So I concentrate that really underneath my eyes and near my nose because that's where I feel like I have the largest pores. So I'm using one of my favorite foundations, the Power Play Cover FX. I really think this is like my skin tone in a bottle. This particular brand, and then of course the NYX Total Drop Control Drop are my favorite. This is my high-end favorite, and then the NYX would be my low-end favorites. And so I think both of them are just my skin tone in a bottle. So I'm just rubbing it down my neck to make sure everything is even and matches. Of course, I'm rubbing it all over my forehead. You guys, hey, don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. I leave it on the video several times. And then also sometimes after I apply with the brush, I go ahead and apply with the beauty blender. So now I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, the camo concealer. I actually really like this, you guys. I really do. So I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, my nose, everywhere that you see. And this is really quick, you guys. I know it may seem like it's kind of long, but it's really quick. And then I use the Morphe sponge, which I actually like. A lot of people say they don't like it, but I like it, honestly. And I use it kind of damp. And then I use my Real Techniques brush, and I kind of blend that in as well. And so I go back and forth between the Morphe sponge and the Real Techniques brush, as you will probably see in the clips. So I believe now I am putting some powder on my face, and I'm just trying to really make sure that everything is blended in nice and well. And of course, I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, making sure that, everything is nice and neat. So now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in a darker shade to contour. And I'm using this NYX brush that I really love for contouring. So I contour my cheeks first, right? And then I use the residue to contour my nose so it won't be so harsh. And then I'm using the Morphe sponge and my powder to really outline my jaw area. I really like that look. And then I use my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish to really blend everything in. It just marries all the products on my face. Now I'm using the Morphe Showmance bronzer, you guys, and I really like this, honestly. I just use that to set my cream contour. And as you see, I always start on my cheeks and then I go to my nose. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place um, blush palette. I think it's volume 1, and I'm using that orange shade. I use it every day, you guys. I love this blush shade. And then I use the same palette for my highlight. And this highlight is booming, you guys. It is booming, and I put it everywhere, as you guys can see. I want it to glow, seriously. And so I realized that, yeah, it was a little too harsh. So I used, excuse me, another fan brush to blend it out. Now I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter to set my makeup. And I also blend a little of the residue from my fan brush on my collarbone so I can just, shine. Now I'm using the Kylie Jenner True Brown K. I love this color, so I'm using this on my lips. It's like a beautiful brown shade. Bam, here I go. I'm almost ready, but wait a minute. Girl, what are you doing? Yes. Okay, but yeah, you have to do your hair, girl, so don't get ahead of yourself. So I'm showing you this new unit that I have. It's like a deep wave unit, and it was really easy to apply. I used an elastic band. You guys, I don't glue my units down whatsoever. They're always glueless, always, always glueless, because I take them off every night. I don't have time to be gluing my hair down. I just don't like the feeling of something being stuck on my head. But yeah, so I'm using my foam wrap, and I'm using it to kind of define the curls a little bit and also to lay the top down.
All my exes want me back. It makes them so damn sad. I might run off with the money. They want what they used to hide. Tell them all that it's too damn bad. I might run off with the money. You used to talk down to me every day. Tell me I'd never find my way. Now that I'm found, you won't come back around.